This is question 24 of our calculus review. We want to differentiate f of theta is equal to the secant of theta divided by 9 plus the secant of theta. So to do this, we are going to let f be the secant of theta, which then means that the derivative of f is the secant of theta times the tangent of theta. We're going to let g be 9 plus the secant of theta, and the derivative of g 2b. We're going to the derivative of g be the secant of theta times the tangent of theta. So we are going to use the quotient rule for this. So f prime of theta. This is going to be the secant of theta times the tangent of theta times 9 plus the secant of theta let me just fix that parenthesis. Okay. Minus the secant of theta times the secant of theta times the tangent of theta. So that is going to make, once we distribute, and all this is divided by, I almost forgot this. All of this is divided by 9 plus the secant of theta squared. So this, to simplify it, makes 9 times the secant of theta times the tangent of theta plus the secant squared of theta times the tangent of theta minus the secant squared of theta times the tangent of theta, all divided by 9 plus the secant of theta squared. And this simplifies to be just 9 times the secant of theta times the tangent of theta divided by 9 plus the secant of theta squared. Thank you.